Welcome everyone. In this tutorial we will start by setting up our IDE to program the neural network and its projects. As you have seen, I have created some demos that we will be doing, and I will create more during the course because we will learn new things. So I will be using Eclipse IDE, okay, and Java 1.8 to create this. So I will put the link in the description to download Eclipse, that is completely free. And also it's very important when you download Eclipse that you set up a workspace. When you open Eclipse, you will have a pop-up where you will be able to create a directory that will be your workspace, where you will store all the files and on everything. Also, it's very important that, as I have said, you have Java 1.8 or higher, and we will be using this ID for all the course. And also, it's very important that you know the basis of uh, this program. Okay, so you will see you are seeing that when if you have download you will have a different appearance because I have set a plugin that changes all the colors and the UI. So it doesn't matter, so don't worry if you have different. And if you want to have the same thing, you can go to the Eclipse marketplace, and here you will have a lot of plugins, and my plugin, it takes a little time, is this dark thing with dev style. So this is only if you want to have the same UI that I have in dark mode, but the same the functionality is the same, so it doesn't matter. So in the next videos we will start by understanding how we can use a library that I have done, okay, to use maths and tensor operations that will uh, make easier all the programming stuff and all the calculations. Okay, so one thing that I want to say you is how you can create a project. So to create a project, go to the Package Explorer and click New, and then Java project. I will call it Demo. Okay, this is only for you to know how Eclipse works a little bit. So you will have the demo, and then you will have a folder that is src. So here you can create a class, okay, that will be, for example, main, and we'll create it as the default executable main class. So we will create it, we'll have something like this. So I suppose that you know the basic of Java, and also it's recommended to know object-oriented programming, okay, to understand this, because I won't explain most of the code itself. So I will explain the algorithm, but not how I implement it in code. Okay, so for example, I will put hello world. So to execute this, just click on run, okay, or maybe right click in the class and run as Java application, and you will see that in the console you have hello world. Okay, so in the next videos we will start by understanding the tensor library and how can we use it, and how it is implemented, and why is it so useful. So see you in the next video.